Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add product into your Instagram store. Now I'm going to show you two ways to add your product. The first one is going to be through Facebook, because we all know that Instagram now is being handled by Meta, which is the same company basically with Facebook, so you can actually manage your Instagram profile and your Instagram store through Facebook account. Now, first things first, you're going to want to make sure that you already have a business account on Facebook, because you're going to need it. You will not be able to connect your Instagram as well as managing your shop if you don't have the Facebook business account. You also have to make sure that your Instagram is a business account, or else you will not be able to create your store. So I already have converted my Facebook as well as my Instagram. Well, actually I created a new business profile for my Facebook, and I've already converted my Instagram into a business account. And if you don't know how to do that, you can actually just go to your Instagram, then click on edit profile, and you will find this business tools and control options, and through here you'll be able to switch your account, either it's for business or creator account or personal account. So once you're done with that, you can then connect your Instagram to your Facebook and start managing your Facebook store through there. So here on your Facebook, you're going to want to go to the all tools sections, scroll down until you found your commerce option. So here on the commerce page, you're going to be able to manage all of your shop, not just the one on your Instagram, but if you also have your Facebook shop, you can manage it through there. So I only have the Instagram shop on this account, so I'm going to go and click on the shops options. And you can see this is the Instagram shop that I have, so I can edit my shop. I can also view the live shop if I want to take a look at how it looks like for now. So here is how my shop looks like. I have several products on my shop, and I'm going to show you how we can add products like this. So I'm going to go back real quick into my commerce manager, and as you can see, you can manage your catalog of products through here. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to click on the catalog and then click on items. And here you'll be able to see a bunch of products that you can sell. I've already added some of them over here, and later on in the video I'm also going to show you how to add another product from other marketplace. So let's say that you have a website or you have other place where you sell your product. You can actually add products through there too, as long as that marketplace or that website support connections between Facebook or Instagram and that marketplace. But now we're going to focus on the Facebooks first. So here on the items sections, you'll be able to see an add items button on the top right of your screen. And if you would like to add your product, you can actually add your product through data feed, manual, as well as pixel. And I'm going to show you how to do it manually for now. So go ahead and click on manual. And then you can add more than one item at once, and all you have to do is fill in all of these details right here, like the title or the name of the product, and then description, some website link if you want to connect your websites to it, and then the price of the product, the category, the conditions, etc. So I'm going to add an example product, and this one's going to be a self-healing journal. And then I'm going to skip the description. I do want to add my image, so I'm going to go ahead and click on add image right here, and you can choose your file or just drag and drop your file into that page right there. So I'm just going to add some random pics for now, and then click on save. And let's say I'm going to sell this for 50,000 rupiah. And then if you would like to add some more item, you can just go ahead and click add new items right here and repeat the process. I'm just going to add one for now, so I'm going to go ahead and click upload items. Once you got your product uploaded, it's going to be shown on this item list right here. So you can see the products here, and you can make some changes if you want. You can archive this product if you're no longer going to sell it. You can hide it. Once you got your product uploaded, it's going to be shown on the item list right here. So remember that we opened our item list before. Now this one's added. This is the one that I just created earlier. It's done uploading, and I can change the status if I want to. I can change it from active to archive, or maybe I can also hide it on my shop if I no longer want to sell it. I can delete it if I want. I can even edit it if I want to make some changes. And that is basically how you can add product to your Instagram shop through Facebook. Now we're going to create our items, or we're going to add our items through other marketplace, and that is with Shopify. So I also use Shopify for my business, and in order to add your product listing from Shopify into your Instagram, you're going to want to connect your Shopify to your Facebook. So I'm just going to open my Shopify real quick. So I'm just going to show you real quick how you can connect your Shopify into your Facebook and your Instagram account. First things first, on your Shopify dashboard, you'll be able to see a search bar on the very top of your screen. Now what you're going to do is you're going to search for Meta, and then you're going to want to search the Meta on Shopify App Store, and it's going to give you a bunch of selections of application that can connect you to Meta. But the one that you're going to use is this one's right here, the Facebook and Instagram. And make sure that Meta is the developer. And then you're going to want to click on install. And then continue and follow all of the instruction to install the apps. Here on the business asset connection, you're going to want to make sure that you connect to both your Instagram as well as your Facebook page. Then you can go ahead and click on connect. Once you're done connecting your Shopify to your Facebook and Instagram, you can then start creating your product. So all you have to do is go to this product sections right here and then click on add product. Next, you're going to be brought into this page where you can add all of the details about your product, such as the name of the product, the description, the pictures, the pricing, the inventory, shipping, etc. So again, I'm just going to add some test product right here, and I'm going to come back after I'm done inserting all of the detail. Alright, so I'm not going to add too much details into it, and this is the pretend product that I add, and make sure that the status is active. And then for the publishing, you can always manage your sales channels to make sure that it's going to appear on every sales channels that you want. So I've already taken the Facebook and Instagram, and I'm going to go ahead and click on save. And now if we go to the product section, we'll be able to see the product that we just create. I'm just going to change the inventory stock real quick to make sure that it's going to appear. And now if I go back to my Meta Commerce Manager, I'll be able to see the product that I just add on Shopify appeared over here. And it's going to automatically appear on my Instagram shop too. And that's basically it. That is how you can add product to your Instagram shop through Meta or through Facebook and through other marketplace, which is Shopify in my case. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.